In this module, we'll consider infrastructure technologies beginning down at Layer 2. And at Layer 2, that's where we have things like trunks and Ether channel and spanning tree protocol. Moving up to Layer 3, we'll consider various routing protocols, beginning with OSPF, both OSPF version 2 and OSPF version 3. And we're going to do version 3, which supports the routing of IP version 6. We'll do that using a traditional configuration as well as an address families configuration. Next up is BGP, the Border Gateway Protocol. We'll consider how it makes its path selection decisions and see how to do a basic configuration of BGP. Then we're going to untether ourselves from the network and go wireless. In the wireless technology section, we'll talk about wireless communication theory, different modes that our access points can operate in. We'll talk about how antennas work, how we can roam from one access point to another, and maybe even one wireless LAN controller to another. And we'll give you some tips for troubleshooting wireless networks. And finally, in this infrastructure module, we'll take a look at a few network services. These include things like network address translation, and we'll take a look at a couple of protocols that allow us to keep time on our devices. We'll take a look at NTP, Network Time Protocol, and the hyper-accurate PTP, Precision Time Protocol. And we'll discuss a few other services as well, such as HSRP, VRRP, and we'll check out multicast operation. But let's begin this module at Layer 2, and we'll be discussing 802.1q trunking. I'll see you there.